This is my breakfast for today here. This is the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV channel, showing you what I'm eating for today. I'm actually seeing the preparation of it. I'm just showing you the finished product. On my plate, I have some silver dollar pancakes. I have some fried plantains, and I have some fish steak. You can call them sardine fish steak. They're sliced like steak. That's how they come in the container. And I have fried plantains, and I have a slice of tomato cheese egg omelette on my plate, and some mint and black tea blend. Yes, that's how it comes, mint and black tea blend. So this is what I'm having, so I can continue to build my strength and to be healthy and to overcome this period of my life that I'm going through. So, yes, I'm sharing my breakfast with you, my viewers, and my subscribers. It is very delicious. I've had some aspect of this the day before. I had sardines, and I had plantains, and also the tomato cheese omelette, tomato cheese egg omelette. And so today, this morning, I'm having pancakes, fried plantains, and sardines, fish steak, and tomato, egg, and cheese omelette. So that is a combination of my breakfast this morning. It is very delicious, I can tell you, very delicious. Even from looking at it, it is very delicious, and tasting it, even more delicious and very satisfying. So this is what I desire during this period of my life right now that I'm experiencing. This is the only way that I'm going to eat something to put in my body so I can gain strength and build myself back up to full health. So you're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV channel. I'll be having a couple of premieres coming out real soon, and so you'll have a couple of cooking premiere videos that you'll be able to see some creations that I've made for my channel. All right, so in the meantime, I'm just sharing with you what I'm having here for my breakfast today. Okay, all my friends, thank you for all your support and your well wishes. All right, so do take care of yourself and stay healthy and stay well. I love you all. All right, have a great, fantastic, wonderful day. This is Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. All right, take care of yourselves.